Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make wine pegs. First, gather your materials. You'll need metal rods, a drill, and a measuring tape. Decide on your wall space and bottle capacity. Mark your desired peg locations carefully, ensuring adequate spacing for each bottle. This initial planning is crucial for a successful and aesthetically pleasing wine display. We'll cover specific measurements next. Now let's talk materials. Stainless steel rods are ideal for their strength and sleek look, typically around 0.5 inches in diameter. You'll need a drill with a bit that perfectly matches your chosen peg size to ensure a snug fit. Don't forget a stud finder to locate secure mounting points in your wall and a level for perfectly straight rows. Quality tools make all the difference for a professional finish. With your materials ready, it's time to install. Begin by marking your peg locations on the wall. For standard bottles, allow about 4.5 inches between horizontal pegs and 11 inches vertically. Use your drill to create pilot holes, being mindful of what might be behind the wall. Insert your chosen wall anchors. Then firmly twist each wine peg into its designated spot until secure. Double-check for stability. Finally, give each installed peg a gentle tug to confirm it's completely stable before adding any bottles. This prevents any unfortunate accidents. Now, the fun part. Arranging your wine collection. Consider grouping by varietal or region and display your favorite labels prominently. For more great ideas and deals, including the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your beautiful new wine display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.